Okay, there we got a bird on the bell. And over here on the fence is our little meep meep, red-headed cardinal. And then we have a bunch of Javas. Back on the bell again. Yeah. How you doing, buddy? I can't tell who that is. It's probably Pedro. No markings. Have any excitement? Up in the tree here. Hello, Pedro. How you doing today, huh? How you doing? Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Yeah, right in the tree. Oh, that was his poopy just saw coming down. There we go. There's another one. Hello. How you guys doing? Hello. Oh, Marguerite. I see your neck. Yep. How you doing? Hello. Hi, Marguerite. How are you? Hello. Hello. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Marguerite. Where you going, huh? Where are you going? Oh, here comes the third one. Now we got three of them. Oh, yeah. Squawking. Yep. Oh, yeah. King of the bell. Yep. How you doing? Yep, you're the one there now, aren't you? Just rocking. And there's two more up in the trees still. Let's see who's going to be the bell. I hear you. There you see one there. Oh, there's another one behind it. A pair of them right there. And the fourth one just landed. Yep, we're going to have some action here. Yep, hello. How you guys doing, huh? Hello. How you doing? Everybody's hungry for the bell. There's one eating on the bell. Yep, hello. How you guys doing, huh? Oh, there goes one left. We still got three in the tree. Oh, there's a note right there. Hello. How you doing up there, huh? Hello. I see you. I see you. How you doing? Oh, that's Marguerite with her neck. You can tell by the neck. Advancing through the tree. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Marguerite. Hello. How you doing, huh? Hello. Hiding behind the leaf. Yeah. What? Who are you talking to? I see you. I see you. Yep, I do. Yep. I see you hiding there. Yep, I see you. I see you, Marguerite. How you doing?
Hello.
Okay. Here you hopped.
It's just staring at me.
Yep. Well, the camera's new. Yep. We see you. Yes, we do. Yeah, we do. Oh, he saw that. Oh, meep meep. Meep meep's gonna land here.
This is red.
Behind the tree, I can't see. There's one. Oh, dove. Myna bird. There's a myna bird. Oh, there's one landing. There's one just landed. Oh, there's meep meep up on the tree. I see redhead. I see redhead. Yep. Hi, redhead. Oh, Banner.
Well, he doesn't bark for nothing.
That time he did. Oh, we got four of them right here.
Oh, he wanted attention.
Yeah, we see you. How you doing, Banner? Hey, how you doing?
Hello, look at the one closest
Got
to
four of them right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh, they're all going for the bell. They're all headed for the bell.
No.
Uh-oh,
This one wants the yellow cup.
we got a yellow cup one here. Come on, get a peanut out of the cup. You put some in the cup, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Out comes the peanut and in the hand. Oh, you can almost see. Yep, you can see the peanut. Oh, yeah, he got a peanut, didn't he? Yeah, he's squawking at him because he got a peanut. Yeah. Okay, who else is going to have a peanut? Yep. What you up to, Marguerite?
Here's Mrs. Red. She's fat.
Okay. Headed for the yellow cup. Hi, Marguerite. How are you?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, you're so
precious.
close. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can almost land on my hand.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, Marguerite. How you
Boy,
doing?
their head really goes almost like an owl.
Yep.
Like a,
Uh-oh, there we got one in the cup. Coming up with a peanut.
yeah. Reaching.
Gonna get it? Are we gonna get one? Oh, he's going for the white basket. That's where he's going.
There's lots of peanuts in there.
Meep meeps up on the tree. Okay. I hear the crunching. You can see it off the left side of the bird. You can see the peanut in its hand, in its claw. See it? And he's eating some of it.
Marguerite wants one too now.
They only want one when somebody else has one.
Yeah.
They won't go get it themselves. Only a couple will help themselves. What you doing, Marguerite? I see your neck stretched. Yep, I see you. I see you. Now we're gonna go back this way again, huh? Okay. Yep, I see Marguerite. How you doing? Yep. Hey, Marguerite, what you doing? Yep. How you doing, Marguerite? Huh?
I'm curious about us.
Yep, that's good. Interaction. That means they'll hang around for a while. Yep. Yep. How you doing? Get closer and take a closer
Look at
picture.
Scrappy.
On the ground chasing the birds.
Yeah. Look at Scrappy. Look at him.
That little red one there, red-headed Scrappy. How he's chasing the other birds? We call him Scrappy-Doo. Chasing the other birds. Just eat the food already. Don't chase the other birds. Don't be chasing the other birds. Eat. Oh, chasing an old job. Pick on some of your own size, like that big dove right there. Chase that big dove.
Yeah, he's not scared of anybody.
Yeah, see, chase that big dove. He's more your size. And look at the big dove just dart in and out. Nope, I'm not going near that bird. Yep. Wait for him to leave, then I'll get my bread.
Look at he's walking around him.
Oh, sticking up behind him. Scrappy.
You should see him try to beat mine up.
Okay, now I got two in the basket. Let's see. This will be good.
Yeah. Both in the basket.
Oh,
see,
see,
they won't
as soon as they got the
tolerate
camera
that.
going. Well, sometimes they do.
No.
Just they got the camera that they change their mind.
They won't tolerate each other. Look at Scrappy. He's so funny. Missing?
There's one coming down the tree. I can see the tail. There he is. There. Marguerite. Oh, he's going to chase him off. He's trying to sneak down the rib holder there. Hey, Marguerite. How you doing? What you gonna do, Marguerite, huh? What you gonna do? Oh yeah, see somebody's coming, you better be careful. What you gonna do, Marguerite, huh? What you gonna do? Hi, Marguerite. Hello. Yeah, tell her, get out of the way. It's my turn. You had enough. You're not full yet? Give somebody else a chance. Oh, off he goes. How you doing? Yep, all by yourself eating. Aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky? Yep, you're lucky.